In the past 5 months alone, we've helped over 5,000 ordinary people make more than $700,000 just by using their smartphone and a brand new system that we call CashPages. And yet, after having the craziest success stories, thousands of lives changed, and our platform being available and used all over the world from America to Asia, I'm here to tell you that this was all just the beginning. Starting an online business can be difficult. Whether you have an existing business that you can't get off the ground or you're looking for the perfect opportunity to start with, everyone will at some point along their journey come across this one similar problem. How do I actually make money off the internet and have the guarantee that this will last forever? Many people nowadays are looking to live that dream lifestyle. Travel wherever you want, spend money like it grows in your back, or at least not live with any of the financial problems that some of us may have. And with that goal, everyone constantly pushes us to try something different to get there. E-commerce, trading, marketing agencies, we've all seen it before. And me personally, I tried literally everything that I got recommended. Not only that, but I've spoken to thousands of people that have tried all these flashy business models in the past, just like I had. And I literally haven't found a single person that was making serious money long-term from any of these side hustles. And that's something to think about, because all the people that clearly have found the answer, the people that are traveling all the time, make money while they sleep, are for some reason always posting and showing it on social media like their lives are dependent on it. And initially, I thought the same thing that you probably think right now. They're only doing that because they want to flex on us, show that they live this awesome lifestyle. But the more I thought about it, and the more I deeply looked into this, I realized maybe their lives are actually dependent on it in a way that you don't expect right now. You as an outsider have to be critical, and it's totally fine to be skeptical, but I hope by now that you got to realize that there's something that people seem to be hiding from us. And I would say test it out for yourself. Every single person that runs a great business, is a CEO, or has a company that needs any form of marketing is on social media. And not just a bit on social media. Their lives and their businesses are truly dependent on it. They post videos every single day of the year with no exceptions. And I want you to keep that in mind, because in just a second, I will actually reveal why this is the case, and how we from CashPages are directly responsible for helping thousands of ordinary people make ridiculous amounts of money online. And on top of that, I'll tell you what you need to know right now to get the results that you're looking for and actually find the solution to this big problem, which is how do I make money in a secure way that can last forever? Because I can guarantee you, no matter what you've tried in the past and no matter what you're going to try in the future, if you don't implement the fundamentals of these CashPage systems that I'm going to break down in this video, you are running a race that you can never ever win. So with that out the way, let me take you to the flip side of the coin and show you open and honestly what this secret is. The deeper you dive into the rabbit hole, the more you'll start to figure out how much money there's actually flowing through this whole social media world. I know, for you it just looks like an app that you can use to watch videos, get some fast entertainment, and definitely not think too much about it. But even though that's one side of the coin, there is another side. A treasure hidden in plain sight, but yet one of the fastest growing industries on the planet right now. And luckily for you, still 89% of people are only using these apps for their enjoyment. There's only a small group of people that have been on time with finding these opportunities, and with that have been able to take a piece of this $49 trillion market. And this all is just the surface of the iceberg, because as previously mentioned, the deeper you dive into this, the more you're gonna see all these people, young and old, make ridiculous amounts of money from simply using the smartphone that you have in your hand right now. And just to clarify, I'm not talking about your standard guru that sells a course. Everyone knows how they make their money. That's not a secret anymore. I'm talking about ordinary people from any age that post videos on social media, but yet are able to travel all over the world and have clearly found a way into securing a great income online. Some of these people are big CEOs that run companies, others simply make money from apps like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram directly. Yet no matter which of these categories you want to fall into, it's all the same principle. They're running CashPages and they're good at it. Now, even though these strategies are not some sort of cheat code to get you rich tomorrow, one thing is as clear as daylight. This opportunity is there and it works right now. And I don't know if you've realized it yet, but you don't need to be a born superstar to be a successful creator. 98% of CashPage owners are staying anonymous. You don't know who they are, and even though they have big followings and pages that rack in thousands upon thousands of dollars per month, they are not in need of selling you flashy business models, but rather into living life on the terms that they want. And without giving you the deceptive claim of being rich tomorrow, you have the opportunity to be part of the most successful marketing industry of this era. So let's go over these steps and break down how building a cash page exactly works, how you can set up one yourself today next to your job or study without having to show yourself online, and most importantly, how to guarantee yourself a stable and long-term income that you can truly rely on. The website that you're on right now has exactly 300 spots available for sign up. These spots are extremely limited and for a good reason. Every single person that joins in our platform will be guided with maximum effort from our team, and we simply can't do that for thousands of people. More importantly though, these 300 spots will have our 100% money back guarantee automatically applied, which means we're securing the success of every single member that joins the platform. Upon entering the platform, you're gonna get instant access into our learning catalog. With over 20 hours of video content, we're taking you through every single step of the way, from not having a cash page set up ever to being a cash page master that can run multiple pages at a time and generate stable incomes for years and years on end. Now, a big question that a lot of people have is, what exactly is a cash page and how does it make money? Now, the answer is much simpler than you think. A cash page does exactly what the name suggests. It's a faceless social media page that sells a product in order to make sales for you, the owner behind the page. Now, not only are we taking you through every single step of the way, ensuring you won't face any problems throughout the whole setup process, but we will also teach you how to automate your cash page so you don't need to spend more than an hour a day working and monetizing these pages. You can kind of compare it as the fundamental engine behind generating an online income stream. You turn on the page, upload the content, and with the sales automations that you're getting from us, the page starts to market and thus make sales. Now, cash pages are built around the product, and within our platform, you can choose to create your own product or use any of the pre-made products that we have ready for you. And that's one of the major reasons why so many big companies are pumping out cash pages as we speak. But if you don't want to create your own product, we have also gathered some of the best softwares and digital products that are guaranteed to sell and are only available within our platform. Now, normally, selling products online requires advertisement. Yet, cash pages don't rely on the standard paid advertisements that you might be used to. Instead of spending thousands of dollars into ads and hoping that your offer converts, we are only relying on organic marketing. This means we use the standard features within the apps like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram to post videos and do our advertisements completely for free. Yes, you heard me correctly. Once a cash page is set up, there is no risk of losing money. And on top of that, if you use the right strategies, it's actually extremely easy to get millions of views on your video and make thousands of sales as a result from that. Now, to tie everything together and also to show you why Cash Pages is a platform that is literally unbeatable at the moment, we leverage private AI software that can create content on demand without having to worry about this process yourself. And I know there's lots of online software that can claim they can produce content, but none of these softwares are tracking the results of their users. And that's where Cash Pages is again fundamentally different. Our AIs are tracking the content, sales, and growth of the pages from all over the world at the exact same time. This allows our members to have the biggest edge over anyone in the world. And because our program is live all the way from America to Asia, we have the latest up-to-date strategies and are always first in the market, causing so many people to get all these results that you're seeing about us online. And that is how easy it is. You join our platform, follow our steps, and set up your cash page in mere hours, start the process of growing and monetizing it, and with the hours put in, get results that you will never ever be able to get anywhere else except of our platform. And before you join, I want you to know that I haven't even talked about the biggest advantage that we have in Cash Pages 2.0 in comparison to our first 1.0 program. Because on top of our proven strategies, thousands of member results, and 100% money back guarantee for the 300 spots that we have available right now, we are also granting you limited time access to the private Cash Pages 2.0 community. See, there's only one way to guarantee that you're getting the results that you're looking for, and that's by pooling you together with people that are already having the success that you are looking to achieve. With weekly calls, live lessons of successful Cash Page members, and weekly page breakdowns, there is no better way to learn this skill than by surrounding yourself with the people that have exactly what you need. It is finally time to start our next revolution, and we want you to be a part of it. The time has come again in which we're going to give you the chance to change your life, just like we did for thousands of people that were before you. People like Sergey and Thomas from Austria that at the age of 18 were able to build Cash Pages with hundreds of thousands of followers and were able to travel all over the world. Or Haley May from the USA, who at the age of 39 started their cash page and got it to make her an extra $3,000 in her second month of posting. We are finally ready to take you in. The countdown has officially begun. Click the button under this video to claim your spot, fill in your information, and get instant access into the biggest revolution of 2025. Cash Pages 2.0 is ready, and this is your chance to shine. See you inside.